Kapane. Number 17, Yamaguchi. Ariane and number 25 for UCS Violet. Yokok ba? Kokoy pala. Kokoy. Yokok. Pinipet naman. Para sa Facebook kasi Yokok pangalan niya pala. Sa Facebook pala yun. Yokok. Rojas, Belen, and Sumo. First possession, UCS. Kokoy, wala. Rebound, Ariane. Ariane. Dribbling the ball. Ariane drives. 2 points. Ross, pass to Violet. Bigay kay Ross. Violet, Ross, wala. Rebound. Kokoy, wala. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Ross, pass to Belen. Nasa kay Skill. Arban, same ball. 6 seconds. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds.
Next game ba? Next game? Nasa yung next game?
Still completed by Yamaguchi. Pinasakay itong Panaya. Kabaner, nawala ang bola. Still by Violet. Violet, pinasakay Roas. 2 points. Drives, wala. Iwan Kokoy. Pinasakay Belen. Belen. 2 points. Nash, wala. Iwan Sumo. Ay, wala lupa. Roas. Wala, di ba Yamaguchi? Nash. Wala, di ba Nash? Wala ba rin? Same ball.
Ikot bola. Cutter. Cut.
Violet. Kenny, wala. Kenny ulit. Wala pa rin.
Okay lang.
2 points, Kapane. Steal by number, no. 6 seconds.
Oh, no.
Nice pass lang.
Okay, wala.
Okay lang.
Number 17, pinasakay Yamaguchi. Number 17, Tumira, Oscar, Iwan, Violet. Rebound, Rush. Ariane, steal by Violet. Ahoy, reverse is
good. Just 2 points. Violet, wala sunod sa panel. Sa panel, 2 points. Iba na after number 17. Sinasakay sa panel. Sinasakay number 17. Ikaw. Tsaka takin po, takin. Ikaw tsaka takin. Takin po yung jersey, pakitakin.
Jersey, takin.
3 points. 5.
Si ano yun no? Si Jay. Bagong pasok.
Bagong pasok.
Rojas, 2 points.
Serentas.
Si number 14 pala.
Number 14.
Kita.
Violet, drive. Is out. Foul number 2. First personal foul, personal foul. Two shots for number 7, Violet. Score of 2 for Violet. Seretas, 1 Ariate. Ariate, 2 points. Belen for 3. Man. Abuchi. Arpan. Cross. Pass to number 14. Wala. Iba na Abuchi. Serentas, pinagsakay yung number 2, pinasakay Akaba, 2 points. Ross. Wala, Yamaguchi. Akaba, pinasakay Serentas. Serentas, pinasakay Akaba. Akaba, sa loob, 2 points. Shot clock is off. Violet. Pass to Belen. Same spot. Same. Ross. 2 points. And the first quarter official score 19-13. 6.3 by Ruger.
Simula bumalik sa'yo. Ito nga din araw na hype ako eh. Para iniwan mo.
Paner. Drives, pass to Yamaguchi, pinasa kay number 17. Number 17, Floreo, wala. Number 17 pa rin, pinasa kay Nash. Nash plays. Block, pero may kasamang foul.
Sino foul? 14? Matik.
Foul number 14. Number 14, the first personal foul.
Tamaguchi.
Yamaguchi.
Yamaguchi.
First team foul. So shots for number 25. Nash.
Magic.
Steal by Yamaguchi. Yamaguchi. Oh, counter steal. UCS. Yes. Ross for 3. Wala. Arbang.
Oh my bad. As.
Aba. Pinasa kay Campaner. For 3. Wala. Rebound.
Uy,
Number 17. Aba. 2 points. Myler. Pass to Okoy. Pinalik kay Myler. Pinasa kay Ross. Wala.
Abas ko. Sabi niya gusto. Sino ang Petro?
Number 2.
Sinash.
Sinash ko pala. Second na.
Number 2, second personal foul. First team foul. Number 14. Pinalik kay Mas. Mas, nasa kay Kokoy.
Huwag kapatid yan. Coach, hindi. Paras na long hair talaga.
Sub next rep.
Mas, pinasa kay Yamaguchi. Akaba. Pinalik kay Yamaguchi. Steal. Mas, pinalik kay Bailey. Nasa kay Ross. Number 14, pinalik kay Ross. Kampaner. Traveling violation. Sabi doon sa ref? 14 out. Sumok in.
Meron niya.
Ano sabi?
Nash against Bailey. Nash. Wala. 2 points. Sumok is out. Foul number 7. Campaner. First personal foul. Second foul. Mas, nasa kay Sumok. Wala, hindi ba na Aba. Campaner, nasa kay Nash. Salat Ruger.
Kaya ka nalilito kasi yung mo yan.
Hindi ko na naalala minsan eh.
Huwag mo, okay lang kahit mahalaga, lang. Mahalaga, mailipat mo ng kami ng side.
Pass to Bailey. Layup, wala. Rebound, Yamaguchi. Yamaguchi. Lumayat, 2 points. Grabe naman yun.
Tuck in. Si ano hindi nag-tuck in eh. Si
10 seconds. Foul number 7. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Mas. Pull-up. Wala. Rebound na Kaba. Saretas. Layup. Wala. Rebound Mas. Pinasa kay Violet. Violet. Oh. Steal by Akaba. Struggling violation. Violet, wala. Akaba rebound. Pinasa kay Campanel. Campanel. Pass to Jones. 10 seconds. Serenas. 6 seconds. Campanel, pinasa kay Jones. Pinasa kay Campanel. 3 seconds violation.
open.
Okay, pinasa kay Mas. Kenny for 3, bang! 2 points lang. Bye.
No worries, man. No worries, mate.
Campanel. Seretas. Steal by Mas. Violet, 2 points. Ten seconds. Ariane, pinasa kay Campanel. Campanel, wala. Rebound Mas. Chapo, same ball. Yusuf. Violet. Is foul. Foul number 6. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Kokoy, 2 points.
Kokoy.
Shot lang ito. Kaba. Right. Aso Campanel. Fakes. 2 points. Violet. Rise. Aliw to Kokoy. Wala. Kokoy pa rin. Wala. And the first half of Kruger there. Campanel.
Kata ko ibang lahi.
2 points.
Pili doon eh. Diba? Kalaro natin yan yung casual eh. Oo nga eh. Pang Japanese kasi yung...
Kickball.
Pang Japanese yung apelido doon.
Dito makita ni Kuya Ambo yung party.
Hindi pa siya nakakita rin.
Ano, may foul? Hindi mo nakita? May foul nga. Gabi. Alam mo ha.
Roas, wala. Iba na. Nasa kanya ng team.
Wala kasi si ano, paligutan ka.
Ano siya yung wala. Iba na rin. Roas, is foul. Foul number 17.
17. Ano 17?
Call number 17.
Asti 17 ba yung tinawagan?
Ilan?
Isa.
First personal foul, first and foul. Two shots for number 5, Rojas.
5 ba siya?
Yeah.
Round number 2. Rebound, Alcala. Rojas, 2 points. Good pass from Bayer.
Kliyente mo.
8 seconds. 3 seconds. Akaba. Right. Correct foul. Foul number 27. Number 27. First personal foul. 17-second shot clock. Akaba. Kasi sa labas. Out of bounds. Masyadong malakas. Rojas, short, rebound, Akaba, pero wala. Sabi ko sa ref, small in, 14 out.
Naka-NDIS din pala yun si Kuya. Naka-NDIS. Parang si ano din,
Nurse.
And then, for 3, wala. Rebound, Akaba. Nash, tumira, wala. Rojas. Seretas. Pinasakay Nash, bumaba. Wala. Nash. Wala. Nash. Wala ba rin. Rebound. Foul number 25. Around Ruger.
Ilan na siya na?
Rojas, pass to Belen. For 3, short rebound. Pahoy, 2 points.
Third pa lang.
Serentas for 3, short rebound. Pahoy. Pinasa kay Bailen. To rise, wala. Rebound. Number 14, Serentas. Wala. Rojas na sa Pokoy. It's foul. Foul number 7, Campaner. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution ref. Lance out. Out. 2 shots for number 27, Pokoy. Shot is good. Score of 2. 2-point lead by Kruger. Ariate, pass to Campaner. Campaner fakes. Forward foul.
Who's foul, ref?
Foul number 25, Sumbuo. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for number 7, Campaner. 2 shots no good. One out of 2. Over 14, 2 points. Ross off to Sumok. Sumok nasa Itokoy. 2 points. Joe Troy, steal by Baile. Baile against Teresa. Baile. 2 points. Balik. Isa na lang po ang pawang ng Kruger.
Baile.
Teresa nasa kay Campaner. Wala. Arbas. Kruger. Number 14, 2 points. Rocker rush. Pass to Sumok. Pull up jumper is good. Ariane. 10 seconds. Jones for 3. In and out. Rebound to walk. Cowboy for the lead. Wala. Rebound number 17. And number 14 for Kruger, Campaner, Ariane, Yamaguchi, Nash, and Akaba. UCS ball. UCS, black ball, right ball.
Bumulti ito eh. Yun pa lang.
Ross, pass to Baile. Baile, out, steal. Yamaguchi, running the floor, Yamaguchi. Arba, single. Paba, wala. Gabo pa rin. Paba, wala. Bola. Roa, against Nash. It's foul.
Nash, dalawa.
Foul number 25, second personal foul, first foul. 2 shots for number 5, the Rojas. One of 2 for Ross. We are all tied at 35. Yamaguchi. Pass to Campaner. Itira ng 3. Wala. Rebound pass. Steal by Jones. Nash drives. Pinasa kay Yamaguchi. Siya lang ang pasa. Ross, tumira, wala. Campaner, 10 seconds. 4 seconds. Ariate, corner 3. Wala. Pero may foul. Foul number 7. Number 7, fourth personal foul.
Fourth na. Warning na yun.
Warning for Rodwell. Violet is foul. Foul number 6, second personal foul, third team foul. 14 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds. Pass to Ross. Pinasa Ibalan, Joe Shopper, wala. Time out. UCS.
Oh, yan.
10-2. Small
Foul number 16, Rock or Mass. First personal foul, second team foul. Ariata, pass to Yamaguchi. Yamaguchi, behind the back, wala. Belen, against Ariata. Belen is blocked. Single.
Pero Pinas, Titan. Paano malalala
Last
yun?
for 3. Wala. Rebound Baile. Wala pa rin. Baile.
Layo.
Wala pa rin.
Ang bangga yun.
Traveling violation.
Kung sa pesa.
Sabi doon si ref.
Mahal ng konti. Kaya nabili mo ito 50? Times 36. 9 plus lang yung dapat eh. May konti. Lamang konti. Pasip ko sa bahay.
Equal.
Walang afterpay dito te. Walang afterpay. Buti sa'yo, meron.
Jones. Against. Nasa Yamaguchi. Tumira ng 3. Bang!
Relax ah. Katayo lang.
Baile. Pinasa kay Sumboko. Wala. Rebound. Sereta. Ay, number 17. Nagantay na ako play. Number 17. Pinasa kay Jones. Jones pinasa kay Akaba.
Hey!
2 points. 5 na po ang lamang ng Kruger. Ross. Pull up shopper. Is in and out. Rebound Nash. Pass to Jones. Pinasa kay number 17. Pinasa kay Nash. 10 seconds. Yamaguchi. Steal. Baile. Pinasa kay Tokoy. Rubon.
Ano pre? Dead ball muna, dead ball.
Timeout na lang kami. May timeout na kami.
Dalawa. Pag na-shoot ng kalaban. Pag na-shoot nila.
10 seconds. Nash for 3. In and out. 3-1 Baile. Baile. Wala. Rebound cross. Time out. Ruger. 1.85.
Yung ano siya, tapilok. Yung tapilok siya, yun yung suot niya.
Yamaguchi. Drives. Wala. Rebound. Riley. Ravening violation.
Alam na eh. Bakit kaya tayo hinihintay niya si ano no?
Serentas. Pinasakay Kampaner. Pinasakay Nash. Pinasakay Kampaner. 10 seconds. Kampaner. Pinasakay number 17. Wala. Pass to Pokoy. Kyle. Pinali kay Pokoy. Wala. Pokoy pa rin. Ravening violation. Serenas, pass to Nash. Pinasakay number 17. Pinasakay Kampaner. Foul number 6.
Number 6. Wala number 6 din.
Ref. Who's foul ref? 6 or 5? 5, yeah. Sorry.
Siya, pasabuhin.
10 seconds. Foul number 27.
27, so.
Dalawa.
Second personal foul, warning for penalty. First shot no good.
May isa pa.
Pagkaano nila, pag na-shoot nila, pre.
Tyler, pass to Ross. For 3, short, rebound Nash. Pass to Kampaner. Pinay kay Nash. 10 seconds. Kampaner. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Nash. Wala. Rebound to Tyler. Pokoy, wala. Rebound. Tarwas.
Time out. Gawin na yun.
Back to the ball game. 14 seconds kayo, shot clock. 14 seconds, half court na half court.
Sapatos lang ata ni Bailey yung maingay dito. Yung lahat malinis na.
Penalty na.
On number 5, penalty.
Ilan na?
Second.
Second personal foul for number 5. 2 shots for number 7, Kampaner.
Mas, pag na-shoot yung pangalawa tayo magkayo. Kasi ginugulo eh.
Pwede ba kami mag-time out pag-rebound?
Hindi. Pag na-shoot lang.
Bigat na.
Parang lalong, ano yun, no? Nabe-pressure tuloy.
Yamaguchi, binalik kay Sarretas. 8 seconds. Nash is fouled. Foul number 27.
27, over. Third.
Third personal foul. 2 shots for number 25, Nash. First shot, no good. Rep, pag na-shoot mo, time out po sila. Time out, UCS. Official score, 42-39. 3-point lead by Kruger.
Pare, penalty na sila.
9 daw sabi nito sa akin.
14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot.
Ano, te, bilhin ko ba ito?
Focus mo na,
Oo, pre. Ano na?
Island.
Set na.
As to Ross for 3. Wala. Rebound. As for 3. Wala.
Ito lang pala lamang. Nice one.
Kuya, yung tres mo nagpapanalo. Yung tres mo, kung wala yung tres mo, tabla sana.
Sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Ayun, pag nagkabahay ata sila eh.
First shot is good for number 14. Sarretas. Second shot is good. After